Hi everyone, I'm Sophia and I've been challenged to only eat foods cooked in a microwave. Breakfast is scrambled eggs. I've never done scrambled eggs in the microwave before, so this should be an interesting journey for all of us. I can't lie, it doesn't look the most appetizing, but it's fine. We started off the week with a basic. It can only go up from here. I put loads of chili in, so it should be fine. Let's just taste a little bit rubbery. Maybe that's just because I put them in the microwave for too long. I don't know. It can only go up from here. It's currently 4 p.m. and I haven't had lunch yet. So we're gonna combine lunch and dinner together and I'm gonna make a burrito bowl. I'm actually quite pumped about this one. I'm having black beans, cheese, a pepper, classic Uncle Ben's whole grain rice, some corn chicken pieces, which I found out that you can put in the microwave, which is stunning. So I read the back and I found out that I have to put the corn chicken in some sort of sauce to cook it in the microwave so it just cooks through. The only sauce I have is pasta sauce. I guess that could work as like a tomato-y type thing. So we're gonna see how that works. And here it is, the burrito bowl in its full glory. I added in some guacamole, which I heated up in the microwave. I don't know how good that's gonna taste, but I'm actually really looking forward to it. Chipotle actually has nothing on this burrito bowl. Oh my God, this is stunning. Would 10 out of 10 recommend. Yay, David! Rise and shine. It's looking super gloomy today, so I'm kind of feeling porridge for breakfast. I have a slight problem. My oats are rolled massive, like Scottish oats, and they can only be cooked on the hob. Don't bubble over, please don't bubble over, please do not. It's bubbled over. This has not gone well in the slightest. It literally looks like food from like Oliver Twist. I guess we're gonna try it, so. Nope, thank you, Nut. What time is it? Summertime. Joke. It's actually lunchtime and all I want is a cheese and Marmite toastie. Breaking news everyone, it has come to my attention that you can in fact make a cheese toastie in the microwave, except we're gonna have to toast the bread first. So let's do that. Hope you make a toastie. I'm quite stressed about this one, like I actually hope it works out because this is all I want is a cheese toastie. Moment of truth. Oh, we've had a bit of a, oh no. Everything is just spilling in the microwave today. Yes, approved. Wow, gorgeous.
Stunning, brilliant, amazing, spectacular, never the same, totally unique.
It's definitely a lot later now. It's about 8 p.m. and I haven't had dinner yet. So for something easy, I think I'm gonna go and check if we have any soup or anything. We hit the jackpot, everyone. We have some Soupology soup. Instead of let's get this bread, it's let's get this soup. Is that really lame? Yeah, it is. Hot, that's hot. Ooh, just listen and you can actually hear the sounds of heaven. How are we ending day 2? With some Fortnite and popcorn. Toot toot. Good morning, starshine. The earth says hello. So considering breakfast has gone so badly the last 2 days, I am gonna just have some Weetos. Guys, I've done that thing again. It's like 6 p.m. and I didn't have lunch. So we're gonna combine lunch and dinner together. I don't know what we're gonna have, so let's go downstairs and see what's up. Beans. Bone apple tea, am I right? The only thing I'm nervous about is if the sweet potato isn't cooked, it's gonna be all hard, but it's fine, let's see. She is hot. She's cooked. It's a Saturday and I want pancakes. We're doing that. Things we're doing, that. Pancake mix, honey, strawberry. Honestly, cracking an egg is like the worst part of doing anything. I hate it, it's disgusting. We need some pancakes. Pancake mix completed. Making a pancake in a mason jar in the microwave. Wow. Wow. To quote Gordon Ramsay, she's still raw, so we need to pop her back in. Not even ramen noodles could fix this mess. Oh God. Well, that is too big. No, no. So after the disaster that was my breakfast, I need to have something substantial for lunch, and I don't think anything says more substantial than a risotto. We're gonna do a butternut squash and mushroom risotto. The recipe that I'm following also only calls for 1 clove of garlic. Absolutely not. We're putting in 2. Ow! I am hangry.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Instagram versus reality. I'm about to dive in. Not bad. Okay, we did it with this one. Breakfast used to be my favorite meal of the day, and now I just don't want to entertain it. I've Googled specific things to put in the microwave for breakfast, and I've come across a French toast recipe. Now I know that after yesterday's pancake disaster, maybe French toast isn't a good thing to try and attempt, but... So in here I have 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm gonna whisk that all together, and then I'm gonna add in this buttered bread. Good luck, Charlie. It just looks like mush. It says to let it sit and do its own thing for 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm actually gonna let that sit for once in my life. I'm not gonna just dive right in. See you in 1 to 2 minutes. And we're back to our usual scheduled programming of Sophia attempts to make microwave breakfast. I've let it sit. I am gonna dive right in. I mean, it's not bad, like I could stomach this, but it's not French toast. Like, lies and vicious rumors every single day. The one thing that I'm struggling with this challenge is that everything just makes my body feel gross. I haven't finished it because it literally, everything I have is making me feel gross. So I need to think of meals that aren't gonna make me feel gross. I no longer look like Lord Farquaad. Now I'm just channeling Sid's sister from Toy Story, that kind of vibe. Anyway, I'm gonna attempt to make mac and cheese in the microwave. We have our pasta, we have our cheese. I have a good feeling about this one. So this doesn't look right. I'm gonna just drain the milk and then add more cheese, and we're gonna try it. I don't understand where I'm going wrong. Like, it doesn't look right, and all the cheese is like clumped together. I mean, great for a cheese pull, but okay, let's just try it. Oh gosh. I mean, it tastes fine, but it just tastes like pasta and cheese. It doesn't taste like mac and cheese, There's al dente, and there's just straight up hard. I don't care. I'm gonna eat it. It's 6 p.m. This is gonna sound rogue, considering how badly today is pretty much gone. But there's a trend going around of people cooking salmon in the microwave. So it would be wrong if I didn't try out that trend. Well, here it is. The instructions said to pat down the salmon first and then put a thin layer of butter on it, which I have never heard of, but okay. Then I squeezed some lemon juice on it, and I've just seasoned it with salt, pepper and chili flakes. And I couldn't be more nervous if I tried. Let's see what it's like after 3 minutes. Good luck, hope you cook. This is honestly wild. I would have never thought that you could ever put like a whole salmon fillet in the microwave, but here we are. Why is it popping? It's not popcorn. This is not popcorn. What? Oh my god, it also reeks, like it already smells. I actually think it's cooked. I'm gonna check in the middle. Oh my gosh, I think it's actually cooked. That's wild. What? This is like the one that I would expect to go wrong. So here is the finished bowl. I flaked the salmon and put it with the rice, and then I just added some lettuce, which I put in the microwave for literally 2 seconds, I promise you. All in all, it actually looks pretty good. I'm just really shocked that it's actually cooked, and like, wow. It tastes so good. What a day this has turned out to be. It's turned right around. So after that salmon, I am craving something sweet, and I'm also gonna watch Netflix. So Netflix and chill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, done. By Netflix and chill, I mean Netflix and actually shut up, because I actually wanna watch an episode of H2O Just Add Water. I'm no ordinary girl, am I right? Last night I was scrolling through TikTok, as you do, and I saw someone poach an egg in the microwave. I can't poach an egg normally, so if I can poach an egg in the microwave, game changer for me. And I saw it on TikTok, so it's gotta work. Pour some boiling water into the boiling water. Confirmed that 45 seconds is probably too long in the microwave because it's not runny, but if I was to do it again, I'd definitely just do it for 30 seconds. Are we even surprised at this point that I've skipped lunch and I'm headed straight to dinner? No, but for dinner this evening, we are having ramen. And here is the uncooked ramen in its full glory. I've added in some courgettes and some mushrooms. I'm also gonna add a poached egg now that I know that works in the microwave. I put the saucepan in the microwave and it smelled like burning. Turns out that saucepan is not microwavable safe, so we need to transfer it into another bowl. Back in she goes in a microwavable safe thing. Here it is, the finished ramen. The egg looks a bit weird, but here we go. Oh, that's like a perfectly... Today has been a good day in terms of cooking food in the microwave. Snack of choice for Fortnite this evening is crisps. So here are the crisps before. I am absolutely thrilled with how they have come out. Today has been such a good microwave day, I'm so proud. Literally, what? Good morning, everyone. I feel like I should have a good morning quote because it's the last day anything I eat has to go through the microwave, which I'm ecstatic about. Breakfast this morning, banana bread mug cake, because I feel like you can have banana bread for breakfast. 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Whisk the egg in now and then add in the mashed banana, oil and milk, I believe. Here is some banana bread in 3, 2, 1. And here it is, the mug cake. Wow, it's actually worked. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna say that this is like a revolutionary idea because it is still like a little bit raw in the middle, but it's not that bad. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we are having lunch, and for lunch we're having a pizza in a mug. How life-changing would it be if this pizza turns out well? I'm Italian and I could never. I'm hoping that it doesn't have a reason to bubble over, but this is what it looks like. I'm about to dive in, honestly. It's fully cooked. Oh my gosh, wow. Stunning! S for Sophia, more like S for stunning. I'm gonna try and make a microwave quesadilla type thing, which I think will work out. Time to cook some chicken pieces. See you in 10 minutes. Okay, so our chicken is cooked. I've just added in a bell pepper and also my leftover black beans from the beginning of the week. You can never have enough cheese. And here it is, our quesadilla. I don't know if it's a quesadilla, but it's something that we've cooked in the microwave and it's our last meal. Wow. Let's just try a section of her. Ooh, it does look really nice to be fair. Yeah, stunning, brilliant, amazing, spectacular. Yay. And I would also make this again, 100%. Toot toot. I am, however, feeling like something sweet after that, so I'm gonna grab a cookies and cream magnum from the freezer. Straight up, just putting it in, just for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Stop! There we go, microwaved. My magnum finished, and that means that my week of microwaving foods has also finished. Amen. Wow, we've laughed, we've cried, we've tried out new things. My microwave still smells of salmon, but we got through it. Thank you so much for coming on this journey with me. See you next time.